Hello everyone, Dad's Lens here. My wife said I should do the voiceover for today because me self should start doing voiceover. But why? I will shoot video, I will edit video, I will still do voiceover join. This cookie people self, well, I love her, so I no get choice. You see this extremely delicious coconut rice made from meal prep ingredients. Okay, in brackets, she said I should emphasize the extremely delicious. Okay, anyway, the tozo, veggies and coconut milk were all prepped ahead, making it so easy to prepare. Even I can make it, even though I was not the one who made it, but I can make it. Everybody can make it. Also, what else? What else did she write? Okay, you just have to follow the process in the video, and before you know it, you will be enjoying delicious coconut rice in no time. Enjoy the rest of the video. Lagos Housewife will be back tomorrow because I no do voiceover again. Good night and stay blessed. Dad's Lens signing out.